Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we're testing the use of the WM150 power meter. As you can see, the WM150 is a voltage, current, and power tester. This video includes real-time monitoring of voltage, current, and power, displayed with curves and graphs. Alright, let's begin with the initial setup. It's crucial to note the two interfaces on the WM150. The left is for power input, and the right is for load. They must not be reversed. We'll break it down into 3 steps. 1. Connect the power supply with a voltage of 1-50 V to the input on the power side of the WM150. Ensure it does not exceed 50 V to avoid damaging the power meter if the voltage is below 6 V. Provide USB 5V power to avoid alerts or startup issues. For this demonstration, we'll use a 12.6V lithium battery as the power source. 2. Once the power is connected, the display will show the startup logo and stay on for 2 seconds to complete the startup process. The main interface will then display. The left dial shows current with a precision of up to 10 mA, with a maximum current collection of 150 amps. The middle bar graph displays power in watts. On the right side, 20.0 milliseconds and 1000 US represent the PWM signal cycle and pulse width outputs. The cycle cannot be changed, while the pulse width is adjustable via the knob. 12.5V indicates the input voltage in volts. 0 mAh shows accumulated capacity, with units changing based on capacity size. The bottom right corner displays operational time in seconds. The grid below shows the main output current curve. 3. Next, connect the drone's distribution board to the load side of the WM150. Test the motor by connecting the ESC signal wire to the left signal port. Rotate the knob on the right to increase the pulse width, starting the motor rotation. You can observe the motor's current and power consumption. Alright, by now, you should have a good understanding of the WM150. That concludes our video. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, please stay tuned for our next video.